What's good at te whānau? Welcome back to another episode of a Māori Phrase of the Day, where we keep spreading Māori phrases to hopefully encourage our whānau to not only learn our reo, but keep using it in our day-to-day lives. So today's Māori phrase, Whakapiki I, or tau oranga, which translates to enhance the best version of your life. So whānau, what that means to me is just keep thriving. Keep thriving to be the best version of yourself that you possibly can be. Keep thriving for greatness. Keep thriving to reach your goals, to do everything you want to do in life, because we only got one life to live and you got to live it to its full potential. Boo! But as always, whānau, if that was incorrect or if I just mispronounced it, please comment down below so we can all get it right. And as always, whānau, stay positive, be kind to one another. And it's a good day to have a good day, so go in and have a good day. Ciao!